Hello and welcome to this running tips series. I'm making this series in association with 261 Fearless Club UK. Now 261 Fearless is a global women's running network that uses running to unite and empower women around the world. And here in the UK, 261 Fearless Club UK is a community interest company which looks after all the 261 clubs around the United Kingdom. They are pressure-free, judgment-free, fun clubs where women can go along for just an hour a week to learn how to run, to meet other women who like to run, to just experience the social aspect of running and the community of women supporting women. So these tips are going to be what we're going to dial right back to go for complete beginners. You know, maybe you're a woman who wants to run but just doesn't know where to begin. Perhaps you're nervous about setting foot outside the front door on your first run. So we'll be looking at how to find the confidence to run. We'll be looking at basic running kit, what do you actually need, and sessions, what do you actually do when you very first step out of the front door and you go, do you just run, or what do you do? So we're looking at that. We're going to be looking at health niggles. We're going to be looking at experiences that you might come up against, finding motivation, lots and lots of themes and ideas. So please join me every week for a new running tip. I really want to help you to take your first running steps because I know the difference it's made in my life and I know that you won't regret it.